Hi everyone, it's Steve here. Thanks for tuning into my review. Before we dive into it, if you are interested in having my coach build your entire internet marketing business and guide you until you reach $10,000 per month, then you need to check out the first link in the description. Now let's get back to the review. When you grab this product from the second link in the description, you will automatically receive 4 fantastic bonuses. Bonus number 1, I will show you my proven method in how to get 250,000 fresh email subscribers every single week. This is no gimmick. It's just a straightforward guidance on where to find them and how to use them with your self-hosted autoresponder. This is something that I would help you set up for as low as $3 to $12 per month. This becomes very affordable, even with an email list of over 5 million subscribers. Number 2, you will discover the free traffic method that I am currently using to drive tons of visitors to my websites, offers and blogs. This bonus will be delivered to you at no extra cost, but only when you buy this product. Number 3, this is the YouTube video ranking guide, which will show you the secrets to ranking your YouTube videos first on the platform. It will ensure maximum visibility and traffic to your offers. Bonus number 4, you will get your own offers to promote. I'm going to give you one of my coach's top selling courses, the Empire course. You get 100% commission throughout the sales funnel to promote this Empire course as your own. If you're eager to access these bonuses, check out the product that I'm reviewing right now, then you need to click the second link in the description. And remember, if you're serious about building an internet marketing business, the first link is where you need to go. Okay, let's see what this product is really all about. Don't forget to check out those links.
Are you struggling to make your first affiliate commission? See, affiliate marketing is a great way to generate passive income, but it can be incredibly confusing. Chances are you've struggled to create your first affiliate site. You don't have access to the Amazon API to build these type of sites, and you don't know what products to promote. Well, let's end all of that today, because with my new Shop Builder software, you can create your first affiliate store and do it fast. See, Shop Builder eliminates all the struggles you've been having up to this point. In just minutes, the software will build you an entire e-com affiliate store completely done for you. It will add over 100 done-for-you affiliate products directly to your store, and it'll allow you to start earning some Amazon commissions without needing the Amazon API. The Shop Builder software makes it as easy as possible. In fact, you can go from this, you can see that blank site on the left there, to a fully complete affiliate store ready to go in just minutes. Now, with the Shop Builder software, you can automatically fill your store with in-demand affiliate products. It's newbie friendly. Absolutely anyone can build their first store in just a matter of minutes. The software automatically adds all of your content, all of your images, and videos as well. And the best part is it adds your affiliate links to each and every product on your site without you having to manually go in there, find your affiliate link in Amazon, add it to each product. That entire process is done for you. And it will automatically create an entire affiliate e-com store in just a matter of minutes so you can start earning some affiliate commissions. With the Shop Builder software, there's no more confusion, information overload, or false starts. And you can finally start generating some affiliate commissions that you've desperately been trying to get. Now, the software only takes 3 simple steps to set up. Number 1, install the software. That's simple enough. Number 2, upload the done-for-you products that we provide for you. These are provided in an easy-to-use document that you simply upload, and they're all automatically added to your site. no manually entering any information. And then from there, just let Shop Builder do the work. It'll go out and build your affiliate store. It'll add the products, add the images, add the content, and even add your affiliate links. It just doesn't get any easier than this. In just a matter of minutes, you have an affiliate e-com store ready to finally start earning you some affiliate commissions. In fact, it's so easy to use, you'll have your first store up by later today. So don't struggle any longer. Go grab your copy of Shop Builder today. Once you purchase, you'll be able to download the software, simply install that, upload the product file we provide, and you are off to the races. So if you're ready to create your affiliate store fast and finally start earning some Amazon commissions, grab your copy now and let's get started. Hit that add to cart button below, get access to your software, and you are off to the races. All right, so I'm going to walk you through just how easy it is to set up a complete affiliate store in just a matter of seconds using the Shop Builder AI software. So if I go to this demo site I'm at, I can go ahead and I can refresh this page. You can see there's absolutely nothing on it. It's a brand new site. So I'm just simply going to go in here to import. I'm just going to choose the Shop Builder CSV file that we provide to you. I'm going to click on continue. And then I'm just going to scroll down here and click on Run Importer, and it's going to completely set up my entire site for me. So you can see just like that, it has added all those products to my site. If I go back here and I refresh the site, you can see it has completely set up my entire shop for me. You can see there's over 100 products on our site that now we can start selling and earning affiliate commission for. Now, in addition to that, we also have the ability to start adding content to our site with AI. So a great thing to do is we now have a site full of affiliate products we can start selling. So it's a great idea to let AI start writing you reviews and content based on those products that are already now on your store. So for example, I can just take one of the products on my store, which is the Acer Chromebook 315, and I can just tell AI, write me 1,000-word review on that product. I hit generate, and it'll go ahead and create that review for me. I can now post that on my site and start driving traffic back to this product. So you can see it wrote me that review. It's completely done for me. So if I went back over here and here's the product on my site, I can grab the link for it and I can come in here and now I can link directly to this product that's on my site. So it's a great way to start driving some traffic back to your new affiliate store. So again, I can keep using the AI to write as much content as I want for my site. It'll all be posted on the blog, and that's another great way to start driving traffic back to your site and promoting those products. So again, in just a matter of a couple minutes, I have a complete affiliate store ready to go to start earning me some commissions.